Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable Google sign-ins in the Brave browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Launch the Brave browser on your device. Next, you will need to navigate to browser settings. To do that, click into these three lines in the top right. From that menu, choose settings here at the bottom. Next, guys, what you want to do is navigate to this section of your browser settings called Privacy and Security. Here, click into Site Settings and Shield Settings. Here, scroll down and under Permissions, click into Additional Permissions. To expand that menu, and amongst these features, you will see the Google Sign-In feature just below the Autoplay feature and above the Leo AI Chat feature. Click into it. And here, guys, what you want to do is select the upper option. Sites can ask you, for example, to use Google sign-ins. That's it. You can also disallow it or block these sign-ins by selecting this behavior here. And you can also apply an exception rule for specific websites by either clicking into add here or there, depending on which option you choose from these two here above. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.